Greetings and welcome to the GoLogica Advanced Deep Learning with TensorFlow training. You're in the right place. If it's about getting advanced learning in deep learning, this course would facilitate the leap toward that end. The course is tailored for individuals knowing most of the basic theories of machine learning, but eager to venture into the neural networks and artificial intelligence domain deeper. See what else this comprehensive course will give you. With new deep learning approaches, we are revolutionizing our ways of sensing, evaluating, and finding solutions to our problems. Considering the broad-based applications across healthcare, finance, retail, and other industries, in reality, the shape of the intelligent system is to learn from vast amounts of data, thus improving efficiency and accuracy. In this regard, theory and practice will be emphasized in terms of applying real-life projects to what you learn. It's TensorFlow, this powerful and popular deep learning framework, at the heart of this course. Being an open-source framework widely known with research institutions and big companies in AI, you'll be able to learn how to build, train, and deploy deep learning models into production environments using the intuitively efficient tools that TensorFlow places at your disposal. TensorFlow can handle everything, whether you're building super simple or very complex architectures. We'll be going deep into those advanced annular neural networks such as CNNs, convolutional neural networks, and RNNs, recurrent neural networks. Essential for image processing and object recognition, CNN is concerned with RNN, which is used for time series data and natural language processing. You learn both during the course to be able to take on a great many challenges. You will also cover specialized areas in deep learning, such as generative adversarial networks and reinforcement learning. The former would enable you to create new data resembling real examples, for example, images or music. At the same time, the latter would help you build systems that would learn optimal strategies through interactions with their environments. Roles and salaries for deep learning with TensorFlow. Deep Learning Engineer role develops, trains, and optimizes deep learning models using TensorFlow for tasks such as image recognition, NLP, and autonomous systems. Salary, $7,000 to $15,000 per annum. Machine Learning Engineer role focuses on deploying machine learning models, integrating TensorFlow models into applications, and fine-tuning them for performance. Salary, $6,000 to $12,000 per annum. AI Research Scientist role conducts cutting-edge research and creates new algorithms using TensorFlow to solve complex AI problems. Salary, $10,000 to $20,000 per annum. Data Scientist role uses TensorFlow to analyze large datasets, build predictive models, and extract actionable insights for business decisions. Salary, $6,000 to $14,000 per annum. Computer Vision Engineer role works with TensorFlow to create image processing models for applications like facial recognition, object detection, and video analysis. Salary, $8,000 to $18,000 per annum. Enroll in the GoLogica Advanced Deep Learning with TensorFlow training and push the borderlines of possibility with deep learning along with TensorFlow. Today, enroll and take the first step to mastering AI. GoLogica has handpicked its expert instructors to deliver a hands-on curriculum and real-world applications to be your partner in unlocking your full potential into the exciting world of deep learning.